In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fantastic photos with only using your iPhone. Let's go check it out. What's going on, guys? I'm the Fantastic Joe. Welcome to Apps That Rule, where we talk about the best applications for your mobile device. In this video, we're going to talk about an application called Snapseed. It's one of my favorite applications that I use all the time when I'm out taking photos of bands and only using my phone. I love to use this app. I use it all the time when I'm out watching bands play live. Sometimes I'll take pictures of my daughter. You go in, get some good shots, get them up on your phone, and all you do is go in and mess around. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. It takes me about 30 seconds after I get a shot, and I post it on Instagram. It looks professional, it looks good, it's the way I like it. There's plenty of things I could go through in this app, but I'd rather have you download the app, see what you like. But this is my opinion on what I like when I go out to take pictures and mess with them and post them. All right, guys, so here is the Snapseed app. I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I take a photo. Let's say I have a shot. All right, so here's a shot I took of Lily and I. This was just with my phone. I didn't do anything with it. Check it out. Here's what I usually do. I go in and you can use any of these filters at the bottom here. It's pop, faded glow to morning, all this type of stuff. But here's what I do. Like I said, you guys download it, check it out, try to do it yourself. I use a pop. It'll do its little thing, hit the check mark at the bottom. I go into tools then and I do glamour glow. I'll check that out. You could check out any different one of these. You could select them. Hit the check mark. Go to tools again. You'll see all these different tools in here. Tune image, details, curves, white balance. I mean, you can change pretty much anything. Healing, to drama, to grunge. I mean, check all these things out. Like I said, you have to mess with it. It's your preference. This is what I do though. So after the glamour glow, I go into drama and it'll do the change. You can also mess with it with the filter strength here. Pretty neat. So I'll mess with it until it looks good to me. That looks good to me. Hit the check mark. You're good to go. Hit the export button. I save it because I don't want to have two pictures on there. Yes, I'll modify that and it'll save it to my native photo app on my iPhone. Alright guys, there you go. There's the app called Snapseed. Go check it out, go download it below. You can take pictures, mess with them, make them look very professional when you go to post to your Instagram, Facebook, any of those social media websites. It looks great, people love it, they love when they look good, and it's so simple. That's the best part of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up as well. Comment below, let me know if you use Snapseed or if you plan on downloading it and getting out there and taking some awesome shots. See you guys later. Peace.